In today's video, I'll show you how to set up workflows in monday.com. First, open your browser and go to the official monday.com website, then make sure to log into your account. Once you are on the home page, choose your board from the left side panel. Next, look at the top right corner and click the 9 dots, then select Marketplace. In the search bar, type Workflow and press Enter, then choose Workflow Hub by Capable from the results and click Install App. After that, click Install. You can choose Start with a template or start with your own workspace. For this example, select Start with a template, then click Add App and wait for it to finish loading. Once it is added, you will see the workflow builder at the top. From here, you can edit your workflow by moving the blocks and connecting them the way you want. Finally, do not forget to click Save. And that's it. That's how you set up workflows in monday.com.